If you're looking for the perfect small batch dessert, this recipe combines silky cheesecake, creme brulee crunch, and is perfectly portioned for two. Let's get started. Let's start by preparing our crust, which is just crushed graham crackers, sugar, a pinch of salt, and melted butter. Mix together in a small bowl until combined. This recipe is perfect for 2 8-ounce ramekins. I love using these super cute ones from Walmart. Simply pour half of the crust mixture into each ramekin and press down. Now this step can get a little tricky, but don't worry. Just use a small shot glass to help you press down the crust firmly. I pop these into a preheated 325-degree oven for 5 minutes. Then set them aside to cool while preparing the filling. The filling is super simple. Combine softened cream cheese and granulated sugar in a small mixing bowl and beat until creamy, about 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high. Make sure you scrape down that bowl to get everything well incorporated. Then add in your egg and vanilla extract, mixing until just incorporated. Now gently fold in some sour cream until the mixture is smooth. Feel free to sub out the sour cream for plain Greek yogurt if you like. Pour the cheesecake filling evenly over the prepared crusts. I like to gently tap out any air bubbles before placing the ramekins in a larger baking dish. Now for this recipe, using a water bath isn't strictly necessary, but I would recommend it to achieve a smoother, creamier texture. These bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheesecakes are set but still slightly jiggly in the center. Carefully remove the baking dish from the oven, then lift the ramekins out of the hot water and allow them to cool on a wire rack. Allow the cheesecakes to cool at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for best results. It is creme brulee time. Just before serving, sprinkle granulated sugar evenly over each cheesecake. Using a kitchen torch, carefully caramelize the sugar until it's golden brown and hardens into a shiny crust. Make sure to evenly distribute the sugar and move the torch around to avoid burning any spots. I have to say, this is one of my son's favorite recipes, and he had to brulee with me, so I let him brulee his own cheesecake. Now the best part is tapping the tops and cracking the brulee. We ate these immediately and enjoyed every spoonful. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The full recipe is linked in the description box below, and make sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.